What happens when you combine the reasoning power of Claude 4 Sonnet and Gemini Pro with a high-end video engine? You get Renoise AI, the platform that doesn't just generate clips, but actually thinks like a director. Today, I'm showing you how to create stunning ads and animations using this game-changing AI agent. If you're ready to take your content to the next level, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe with notifications turned on. Let's dive in. This is the Renoise AI homepage. You can look through the descriptions here to get a feel for how it works. Down here, you can also watch a few samples created with this platform. To get started, we'll click on Get Started in the top right corner. This page will open up where you can sign in using your personal email or Google account. I'm going with my Google account. Once logged in, you're greeted with this dashboard where you can generate both videos and images. It supports multi-shot setups as well as start and end frames for your visuals. A key feature here is the dedicated desktop app, which you can install on your own system. To do that, just click Download at the bottom. This brings up the desktop version page, available for both Windows and macOS. Since I'm on Windows, I'll click Download next to the Windows icon. Once the download is finished, installation is a breeze, just a few nexts, and you're good to go. After opening the app on our system, the first thing we do is select a location to save our files. This is where you can see that key feature I mentioned earlier. The AI agent is right here to assist you in creating videos and images. It utilizes powerful AI models like Claude and Gemini, with all their versions available. This means even with a simple prompt, you can get much more accurate and high-quality results. Let's run 2 tests to see how it actually works. I'll give it a request like, create an ads video. The agent starts thinking, and after a moment, it asks a few follow-up questions. What is the product? Which platform is it for? What's the style and duration? I'll keep it brief. It's a smartwatch for TikTok, with a cinematic vibe and style, and I want it to be 15 seconds long. Finally, I'll upload my product image here and hit Generate. You can check the Tools Used section to see exactly which tools and data the agent is processing. For instance, you can see it's currently using Gemini. This allows the system to use massive resources and logic to produce a better output. The best part is that you can literally talk to the AI to explain exactly what you want the final result to look like. Since I'm just doing a quick review for this intro, let's see the progress. It correctly identified that it's a black smartwatch and figured out the best use cases for it. It's writing a professional prompt right now. The level of detail is incredible. It even scripted a 3-shot, 12-second multi-shot sequence. Finally, it asks if we want to upload our own voiceover or change any part. I'm happy with it, so I'll just type Go to proceed. The video is ready and saved to our system. Let's check it out together.
I replaced my entire fitness routine with just this. Heart rate, sleep score, steps, all right here, and the battery lasts all week. Morning run, client meeting, late night gym, it never comes off my wrist. Honestly, the best thing on my wrist I have ever owned. I replaced my entire fitness routine with just this. Heart rate, sleep score, steps, all right here, and the battery lasts all week. Morning run, client meeting, late night gym, it never comes off my wrist. Honestly, the best thing on my wrist I have ever owned.
Honestly, it's excellent across the board, except for a slight bug on the watch face, which we could easily ask the agent to fix. But overall, the quality, script, and angles were perfect for an ad. Now, let's try something else, an animation. This time I'll type, Generate Animation Video. I'll hit Generate and wait for the questions. Here they are. Any specific characters or story? What style? Which character do you have in mind and how long should it be? I'll go with, cute character, 3D Disney-Pixar style, cute monster, 15 seconds. I'll hit generate again and let Claude and Gemini do the thinking. Our video is ready, let's take a look. This one is absolutely stunning. It made the character look incredibly cute. Keep in mind that Renoise isn't a free platform. Since it uses premium models like Claude 4, Sonnet, and Gemini Pro, there's a cost involved. However, the integration of these powerful LLMs with the Seedance video engine delivers a unique and high-end output that we just put to the test. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Renoise AI is a clear example of how fast AI-driven video production is evolving. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which AI tool you want me to review next. To support the channel and see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.